good morning. Monday. Time to go back and make some more donuts, folks. Today we're going to be doing a mobile home wash, and we're going to be doing a driveway, and that's going to be a wrap for today. August, it slows down, you know, a couple jobs a day, not real busy, but I do have some bigger county jobs coming up. Just some spot cleans on 4 different buildings. Nice size tickets, that's for sure. And we got that coming in to make up for the slack time in this month of August. I'm sure you guys up north are busy all summer long. Until the kids got to go back to school, then parents kind of let up on the spending money, and they devote their cash to getting kids ready to go to school. All right, anyway, mobile home wash in the driveway today. Let's get after it. Okay, here we are at job number 1. Let's take a look at it. Got some stuff up there. I don't know what the heck that is. We'll see if it comes off. Looks like mud or something. Then we got some loose siding up there. We should take note of everything. Now this side here, it's going to come right off like butter. Now he said he wasn't worried about the back of the house, but we'll get as much as we can around this lattice. It's got a hot tub area back here, so all this lattice is pretty dirty. We'll get it cleaned up for him. He's got pineapples and stuff back here, and we'll go ahead and hit all that over there. All right. I don't think he wants the chlorine around the pineapples, is what I think. So we're going to start the job on the corner here in the front, work our way all the way around that way, rinse all the way back around, get the hose on this side, get the driveway done, and all this rinsed, then we'll head down there and we'll be all done. All right, let's get after it.
Drinking that whiskey, 96 proof. Don't need no doctor, don't feel no pain. My leg's just 2 steps ahead of my brain. This cat is on a hot tin roof. This cat, we're gonna shake it loose. This cat, don't get the blues. This cat shaking on a hot tin roof. Well, this cat's been out on the town. I'm the cat's meow. I'm the king with the crown. My head is spinning, I got the shakes. Chicken on a hot tin roof.
Well, folks, it's Monday morning, you know. Just blew a hose, 100-footer. Gushed out a bunch of SH right there. I think it blew right in this area right there. There it is. Right by me. Scared me more than anything. Anyway, we got it all SH all the way around the back here. This had some really green stuff earlier. You saw in the beginning of the film right here. And over here, that lattice is cleaned up. All this is clean. He said not to do it, but you know, I don't know why he said that, but I'm cleaning it. I wouldn't be able to sleep if there was algae here. All right, let me get this hose changed out. Be easy fix, and we'll be back for the satisfying rinse. Let's get after it. Let's get after the rinse. And always remember, you see these here? Those are the seams. You don't want to rinse this way. You want to rinse this way. That's why I'm backed all the way out here. All right, let's get after it. Always stand back from the siding. You don't have to be up on it, because if there's any oxidation, then you're going to be in trouble. right, I think you get the picture, right? Let's get after it. That's how you're supposed to do a driveway right there. This is newer concrete, so we're not going to post treat it today. It looks fine. It'll last. Looks nice and new. All right, now we're going to do the worst part of the house, which is the side over here with all that mold and algae. And there you have it. Pretty messy. Let's go ahead and bring this down this way. We'll be right back. Sorry for the interruption. Anyway, you can see what's going on this way better. The sun is kind of screwing our film up. And we have all this lattice over here that's very, very green. All this stuff right here, you'll be able to see it disappear. All right, so let's go ahead and get after it and get this job done and be on our way home.
So hard that it's off of the scale. This cat is on the hot tin roof. This cat is gonna shake you loose. So this cat don't get the blues, 'cause this cat shaking on the hot tin roof. This cat is on the hot tin roof. This cat gonna shake you loose. So this cat don't get the blues, but this cat shaking on the hot tin roof.
All right, let's have a look, huh? Boom, I don't see any green there. Look how nice this looks, huh? Looks brand new. Get this wood cleaned off a little bit. All the algae's gone. All they had to do was call Don. All right, let's get after the rinse and we'll get out of here, all right? Let's get after it. Hey, here we are at job number 2. It's another new customer. And let's talk a little bit about the first new customer from this morning who was very, very happy with the work. So we're making regular customers as we go. We had some requests for some extra work around here. So we're going to be cleaning up these borders. This little red paver walkway, I would have cleaned that anyway because it's in the direction of the job. We'll just move this thing around while we're working on it. That's where they want it set up. And they added some fence sections in the back, so we're going to go back there and take care of that. Let's go ahead and go back there and look at that, and we'll ride the gun a little bit, and we'll be getting after it. All right, let's get this party started. Using a 2560 V-Jet soap tip, and that's going to turn the soap on in just a second. There it is. Perfect. We're getting a lot of new customers here this month, and I got regulars. You can see how it's all cleaning up real good. The spots that aren't, like that orange stuff right up there, we had to get the pump up for that, all right? All right, let's get after it.
Well, I got a little boogie butter.
All right, that's how you clean the fence. Pavers are clean too. Nice and nice and nice and nice, right? All right, let's go out here and look at these red pavers. And this dirty, dirty driveway. Gonna pre-treat it first. Mini Mondu, we are gonna post-treat this one, it needs it. Looks like they get a lot of algae problems around here. Okay, we got our hose. See the hose reel straight ahead? Well, I got this way to the driveway. Then I'll just come back and go back this way. I'm done, got the pavers cleaned up real quick. Boom, boom. This is how dirty the driveway is. So let's get after it, shall we?
When I get low down, it's dirty boogie. dirty boogie for me.
Bah boom, that's how you get a driveway clean. It was very, very dirty, but now it's not. You know why that is? Because I get after it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's short film and you learned a little bit of something. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll see you tomorrow.